Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2S and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our device. To do it, simply press any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu. And here we have the screen brightness icon, the one with the sun. Tap on it. By default, the auto brightness is enabled, and if you want to change the screen brightness, you need to disable it. So, tap on the auto brightness. When it says auto brightness off, swipe on the screen, and now we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the icons like that. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back, like this. Change it to something brighter, because let's change it to max, for example. Press the back button, you will get the message that it's gonna use a lot of the battery. Press the back button again, and here we have it. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.